right answers is by die volgende 3 stellings, and these theorems are all about cyclic quadrilaterals. So dit is ons 3 koördinatiehoekstellings, dis stelling 4, 5 en 6. Kom ons gaan kyk gou-gou. Stelling 4 sê die oorstaande hoeke van 'n koördinatiehoek is supplementêr. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. So kom ons kyk gou-gou. What is being given? Okay, being given is just simply circle with midpoint O and a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD. That's what's been given. So kom ons gaan kyk wat must be proven te bewys. Wat moet ons bewys? Ons moet bewys dat hoek A plus hoek C gelyk is aan 180 grade en hoek B plus hoek D moet gelyk wees aan 180 grade. Opposite angle supplementary. Okay, so now we're going to do the proof. And in this proof, there's also a construction. So the construction in words is connect AO and OC. Kom ons doen dit in woorde en ons doen dit in die fisiese konstruksie. Daar. Okay. So now OB, OD, sorry, OB, not OA, OB, OB, and OD. Not that way. That's not going to work. We're going to connect OB and OD. And then we're going to mark these two angles as O1 and O2. We're going to start with O1 is gelyk aan, O1 is gelyk aan 2 A's. Dus middelpunthoek is gelyk aan 2 maal omtrekhoek. Okay. Then we're going to go to O2. O2 is going to be 2 C's. Same reason. So therefore, O1 plus O2 is going to be 2A plus C. But O1 plus O2 equals 360 degrees because that's a revolution, a omwenteling. And therefore, angle A plus angle C is going to be half of that, so that's going to be 180 degrees. Similar, you can prove that B plus D equals 180 by connecting what I've done the first time, connecting AO and OC. Okay, that's our first theorem. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary, ons eerste stelling. Reg so. Kom ons gaan kyk na ons tweede stelling. Ons tweede stelling sê die buitehoek van 'n koördinatiehoek is gelyk aan die oorstaande binnehoek. The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral equals the opposite interior angle. So the first thing that we're going to write down is again what's been given. Only thing that's been given, there's no midpoint over there, is a cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay, to prove, we must prove that D1 equals B. D1 equals B. And our proof, in this theorem, there's no construction. So we're going to simply say that A plus C equals 180. Or let's start with B plus D2. B plus D2 equals 180 degrees. B plus D2 equals 180 degrees. The reason for that is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Oorstaande hoeke van 'n oorde vierhoek is gelyk aan 180 grade. But D1 plus D2 equals 182. Hoekom? Dis hoeke op 'n reguit lyn. Angles on a straight line. So there we've got a D2 and a D2. Therefore, angle B equals angle D1. And I've proven that the exterior angle equals the opposite interior angle. Very easy. Ons stelling nommer 6 gaan oor omtrekshoeke en dit sê dat omtrekshoeke in dieselfde sirkelsegment is gelyk. So that means A equals B, and in this case C will equal D. So what's been given over here? Given. There's a, let's put in a midpoint or O. That must be there. And then we've got ABCD, all points on the perimeter. That's also been given. Then another thing that's been given is angle A and angle B is subtended by the chord CD. That's also been given. Okay, now to prove, wat moet ons bewys? To prove, we need to prove that angle A equals angle B. Okay, now we're going to prove it. In this case, we're going to make a construction again. Construction. Ons gaan OC en OD verbind. OC en OD gaan ons verbind. So let's do that physically on the sketch and show it. I'll say. And we're going to put in an angle 101 over there. And now we're going to do the proof. Okay, the proof. So we're going to start by saying O1 equals 2A's. Hoekom? Dis die middelpuntshoek is gelyk aan 2 maal die omtrekshoek. Okay, and say the same about the B. Also 2 B's. Same reason. So, in that case, 2A equals 2B, and therefore A equals B. So I've proven that angles on the circumference of the circle are equal to each other. So this is the theorems regarding cyclic quadrilaterals that you guys must know. Eerste een, hoe kan ek bewys dat, of hoe kan ek bewys dat 'n vierhoek 'n koorde vierhoek is, as die oorstaande hoeke 180 grade is, as die buitehoek van die vierhoek gelyk is aan die oorstaande binnehoek, and the other thing, if the circumference angles that's equal. Kyk net hierso graad 11, kyk hierdie strikdassie. Kan julle hierdie strikdassie sien? If you can see that bow tie, you always know you are busy with a cyclic quadrilateral, en dit is dan die omtrekshoeke wat gelyk is wat dit veroorsaak. Okay. Just make sure that you always recognize that. We're going to be back with some applications regarding this theorem. See you just now.